Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Clash Royale account on another device. Supercell ID is the secure and seamless way to transfer all your game progress. It saves every detail, including your card levels and current trophy count, to a central server. This allows you to effortlessly play on multiple devices without losing any valuable progress. Your account will always remain accessible and perfectly safe across all your platforms. To begin, simply open Clash Royale on your original device and head to the Settings menu. You will see an option for Supercell ID. Tap the Connect button, which likely shows as disconnected. Then, choose to register a new Supercell ID using your main email address. A 6-digit verification code will instantly arrive in your inbox, and entering it completes the quick setup process, securing your account. Once your Supercell ID is created, your current Clash Royale account automatically links to it. This crucial process ensures that all your game data, including achievements and in-game purchases, is safely backed up. Your entire progress is now securely stored in the cloud, independent of your physical device. You can now confidently access your account from any compatible device you own, whenever you choose to play. To access your account on a new device, simply install Clash Royale and launch the application. Head directly to the in-game settings menu. There, you will find the login option for Supercell ID. Select it. Enter the exact email address used to register your Supercell ID. A new 6-digit verification code will then arrive in your email, and inputting it will seamlessly load all your saved progress onto the new device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.